All right, so the extra credit was actually just 100% a demo. There's nothing for you to actually do. So I just copied and pasted the extra credit final right in here so we can take a look at that. So we see that we are getting the warning. Let's take a look at what this demo is actually doing. So the important part here is we're rendering 3 different instances of this same list, with all of them with inputs. And here we have without a key, and you'll notice that we're mapping over these items. We're not specifying a key for the element that represents that item. And then with the array index as the key, so now we're specifying a key on that input as the index, and then with a proper key where we're specifying the item ID. And I want to explore what's actually going on here. So first off, we're going to get this warning because we don't have a unique key prop. That's for the without a key one that we're rendering. And then we have the with array as index and then with a proper key. So let me just move this down a little bit. And you'll notice they're all jumping around, and that's because on an interval we are shuffling all of the items every 1 second. But this is an important point. So the value of each one of these is jumping around, but some of the state of these is not. So if I click on this, then you'll notice my focus remains in this first input, which is not what should be happening. I'm actually moving these inputs around the page. So if I highlight over this, then you'll notice my highlight goes away as well. That's some state that React is maintaining for me. And if we do that index as a key, we have the exact same problem. That highlight goes away, my focus isn't going where it should. This is what should be happening. So I'm moving these inputs around, I'm shuffling those items, and the inputs that they represent is also being shuffled. And so therefore, React is maintaining that focus state for me. And if I highlight, it's also maintaining that highlighted state for me as well. So it's really important that you pass that key and that the key represents something that is unique to the item so that as you're moving things around and making changes or whatever, React can associate the changes properly.